Welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. My name is Crane, if you haven't been here before. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. I hope to give you some inspiration. I do vintage, cottage, farmhouse, English garden style, all the different styles, I guess. I do what makes me happy and what feels cozy in my home. And I hope to give you some inspiration. I don't spend a lot on decor. I do a lot of thrift shopping. I mean, almost everything behind me is from a thrift store. Actually, almost everything is. Sorry, got my granddaughter's birthday gift here. She's going to be turning 6, so I'm having a big birthday party for her. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. This week, I am going to share with you my mini bedroom makeover. It was needing some help after Christmas. Let's be real, my house was a mess. It took forever for me to put everything away. Everything is bad. And it seems like my bedroom is the place where everything gets put. And with my husband going through cancer and chemo treatments every 3 weeks, and then my daughter and granddaughters needed to move in for an emergency situation. So we have a full house, and I had to resituate things around a lot. And so things aren't where they should be. And I'm trying to get organized a little bit for that before I go crazy, because I have to have things somewhat organized at least. But yeah, so I did a little bedroom makeover because it just needed it badly. I put up a DIY fireplace. I painted that. I'm experimenting with the paint a little bit. You'll have to let me know if you like the color of the paint or not, if you think it goes okay. I wanted to do like a darker medium blue, and I think I achieved that, but you have to let me know what you think. And then I think the only thing I bought was a comforter set that was on sale really cheap, so after Christmas. And then I just put rose prints up around and my rose pictures, and just kind of made it cottagey English garden style, just because that's kind of the place where we can go to get a little respite. When he's having his chemo week, it's a rough week that week, so I just wanted it to be cozy in there and warm with the fireplace and TV and everything for him and stuff, and for us to just have a little bit of space to ourselves with the way that our life is going right now. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some inspiration, and if you have any questions about any of the products, just let me know in the comments and I will give you a link if you want me to. Otherwise, most of the things, all the picture frames, all the pictures, all that stuff is thrifted, but I can see if I can find something. The bedspread I will have a link to, but other than that, I hope you're having a wonderful week. We actually are warming up this week. Last week we were below 0 some nights, and this week we are going to be above normal for 10 days, so we're very excited about that because it just makes it warmer in this old farmhouse. If you live in an old farmhouse, you know how that is. It's just not that warm in here, and we heat with a pellet stove, if you can hear it. And we do have a furnace too to run because of the granddaughters now, but before it was just us, so we didn't heat the upstairs, but now we're heating that for them. So that's a little bit of a challenge for us this year too. So anyway, but it's all worth it, and we love having them here, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Let me know what you think of the fireplace, and next week I think I will be doing my 5 favorite easy to care for houseplants. Let me know if you think that would be a good idea or not. I know I've had a lot of questions about that on Instagram, so that's why I thought I would share it here on YouTube. And also my Instagram is junk_gems, and I have a Facebook page that is Curly Willow Acres, aka Junk to Gems, because my old account got hacked. But you can join me over there too. I would love it. And anyway, you guys all have a good week, and thank you so much for stopping by.